In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of editing page titles and descriptions on your website. So I'm just going to go into the page builder here. And each page on your website is going to have its own unique titles and descriptions. We're just going to focus on the About page. So we'll click this little settings icon. We have page name, page URL, page title, and page description. The page name is going to be how it's going to show up on your website under the Pages dropdown in the menu manager. And the URL is going to be what shows up in your search bar here. For example, dealerwebsite.com/about when you're on the About page. The title description are going to be useful to users and to search engines. So if someone were to Google your website and they're trying to find your About page, their Google search results, they'd likely see this page title and description. We're going to want to give a little better description here to make it easier for Google to pull our information. I'm just going to paste in some more info here. The title looks pretty good. Now you want to make sure you keep this visible box checked. If you were to uncheck that box, then this page would not be visible to anyone on the website, even if they had a direct link to it. So we want to always keep that box checked. Maybe we want to change the title to About Us. And we'll just leave the URL About for now, and I'll show you why. So we're going to hit Save Page. We're going to go ahead and publish that to go live. Now I'm going to click on the About page here. Now you can see the URL is still About and not About Us. So we're going to edit the URL to About Us, and we're going to save again. And publish. Now when we click on this About page, it's a broken link. We can't find it. It's still trying to find dealerwebsite.com/about, but we changed the URL to About Us. So I'll show you how to fix that. You go back into the menu manager. So anytime you change the URL of a page, you're going to have to find anywhere that page is linked on your website. So in this example, our navigation menu. And we're going to have to update that URL. So we'll just link it to the About Us and apply changes. And we're going to publish that. And now when we click About, it brings us to our About page, and you can see the URL has changed. So just remember, anytime you change the URL on any of your pages, you're going to have to update your links. So it's probably better to just leave the URL alone. And that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to save and publish when you're done.